My dear friends, welcome back to Bee Spice. In this session, once again we will continue with Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition System, SCADA, Part 3. Okay, so in Part 3, our focus will be more on the types of SCADA and the security aspects related to SCADA. Okay, so types of SCADA, very simple, four types. One is monolithic, we call it as first generation. Second, distributed SCADA system, second generation. Network SCADA system, third generation. Then the fourth, the latest IoT, Internet of Things SCADA system. That's it. So we will see one by one on the architecture, the look and feel, all these. Okay, friends? Right. So monolithic. So this is the look and feel of a monolithic. The RTUs will be connected to one mini computer kind of arrangement. So monolithic SCADA system are called as early or as first generation system. In this type of system, mini computers are used. That's it, very simple. Okay, then few more to add. The designing of this system can be done like an independent system without any relation to other system as a standalone system, right friends? So the data can be gathered from all RTUs using a backup maintenance frame. Okay, mainframe, sorry. Yeah. The main function of these first generation systems are restricted. Restricted in the sense restricted to flagging processes in crisis cases and to monitor the sensor. That's it. Very, what do you call overview, right? That's it, friends. This is about monolithic. Now we will talk about distributed. Okay, as you can see here, you have your primary unit, backup unit, all this, and you have your RT user distributed, right? Yes. So this is the distributed SCADA. So this is again called as a second generation. Okay. So the distribution of control function can be done across numerous systems by connecting via local area network. Okay. So that is the improvement in this. The control operation can be performed by sharing real-time data and of course command processing. This is the few features of the distributed. Okay, few more to add on. In this type of system, the size and cost of each station are reduced. However, there were no consistent network protocol. So that is the drawbacks in this. Cost and all is reduced, but there were no consistent network protocol. So as the protocol were proprietary, we use the proprietary protocol. Fewer people understand the SCADA system security, which is very vital while installation, right? And this factor were ignored largely. That is the point. Security is at most important, right? Important, right? So we are going to discuss that aspects also in the later part. Okay. So that's about the distributed SCADA. Then the third generation networked. So as you can see here, it is performing through wide area network. This is a WAN. Okay. So this is a third generation system. The networking and communication of present SCADA system can be done using WAN system to data lines or phones, right? Wide area network. So the data transmission among two nodes can be done with the help of Ethernet or fiber optic. Okay, so that's about the network actually. Okay, this is the latest, not latest, but of late we have been using this for many applications, and of course now the IoT has taken over, right? So this is about the network. Then the latest one, IoT. Okay. See, this is simple, friends. See, simple in the sense it's all, cloud-based. That's it. As you can see here, these are the web launched clients, and you have a remote site, you have a central site. All these are, connected via this one, right? Internal cloud server and yeah, cloud server. Yeah. So this is fourth generation. In this system, the system infrastructure cost is reduced by implementing the IoT through cloud computing. That is the feature. So maintaining as well as integrating is easy actually. That is the important point here. Takeaway. So in real time, the condition of the system can be reported through cloud computing. Okay. So that is about the IoT. Now we talk about the SCADA security. Okay. Friends, at present, SCADA systems are used extensively in industries, right? To check and examine the real-time data, and industrial process can be controlled and communicate with devices, right, friends? So, SCADA systems are essential for industrial organization because these systems are include software and hardware, right? So SCADA security is also essential in all these industries, right? Any of the industries for that matter, right? So the term SCADA security is used to protect the SCADA network which are fabricated with computer hardware, right? So of course, SCADA networks are used by some of the critical systems like electricity, natural gas, and of course, there are many more systems, water distribution, power, all these, right, friends? So the private and government organization have taken the measures of this network because of the valuable role to make sure the security of the SCADA systems, right? Now, we'll talk about example of the SCADA security. See how the threats can occur in SCADA. One is hacker, you all know, right? Then terrorist, of course, uh, asking for ransom, right? Then we have malware attack, right? Then error inside. So these are the some of the threats which we all know, right? So now, what is the weakness? So the weakness of SCADA security mainly occurs because of poor training. The personnel is not trained well, and loopholes in the development of application and app, and of course issues while monitoring, and of course it's a less maintenance. So these are the examples of SCADA main issues actually, and the weakness of SCADA security main issues. So what we can do, the SCADA system can be protected by mapping all present system, monitoring, and create a processes for the security of the network. So that's the thing. That's the one we can, with this we can, avoid, this kind of security issues. We can protect the, SCADA system. Okay. So that's all I have, friends, for this SCADA. Okay. And of course, I'm going to continue with this also in part 4. Thanks for watching, and yeah, take care. Bye bye.